Hi friends, it's me Kiki. Today we're drawing a sweet little girl with a flower crown. Grab your paper and a pencil and let's draw. First, her face. Draw a big round shape, wide at the cheeks and soft at the chin. Curve a line across the top and add a little ear on this side. Then 2 short lines going down for her neck. Now her happy face, 2 closed eyes like 2 little rainbows, a tiny curved nose and a big happy smile underneath, and 1 soft eyebrow up here. Your turn. Draw her face, her ear, and her happy smile. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Next, her long hair. Start beside her face and draw a big curve going down each side. Make the ends wavy like little ocean waves. Now the best part, her flower crown. First, a big curve right over the top of her head. Then 3 big flowers on it with 5 round petals each, and a tiny circle in the middle, and little leaves in between. Time for her dress. Draw a round collar under her chin, then her shoulders going out. Add a puffy sleeve on each side and a soft band around her middle. Look what we have so far! A happy girl with long wavy hair and a pretty flower crown. If you're having fun drawing with us, ask a grown-up to press subscribe. Now her arms. From under each sleeve, draw a soft line going down and out. Then her little hands at the end with tiny fingers. Your turn. Draw her dress and her arms with tiny fingers. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Now her skirt. From the band, draw 2 lines going out, wider and wider like a bell. Join them at the bottom with a soft wavy line. Then add 2 little folds. Almost done. Draw 2 legs coming down from her skirt and 2 little feet at the bottom. Don't forget her tiny toes. And now, our favorite part. Right here next to her hair, hide a tiny heart. Shh! it's our little secret. Your turn. Add her skirt, her legs, and your tiny heart. Take your time. I'll wait for you. Coloring time. Let's color her face, her arms, her legs, and her feet a soft peach. Stay inside the lines. Now her hair, color it a warm honey brown, all the way down to the wavy ends. Doesn't she look lovely? Next, her dress. Color the top and the skirt a soft sky blue. Take your time, it's a big shape. Last, her flower crown. Color every petal a pretty pink and the little leaves a fresh green. Beautiful! Wow, look at that! Your little girl looks amazing. You did such a good job today. If you had fun drawing with me, ask a grown-up to find our coloring books at Kiki Coloring Studio. The link is right below the video. Or send us an email and we'll send you some sample pages. See you next time, friends. Bye-bye.